my dear students. Today let's try to describe this picture. Actually, this is a cartoon, very important cartoon, and you can easily understand the story behind this cartoon, right? Okay, you can see there is a man in the middle of this picture. He represents the citizens of Sri Lanka, and he's holding an electricity bill, and he's been shocked, right? So there is a man on the left, and he's using a high voltage wire. It's 33,000 volt. And also there is a man on the right side. He represents the government, actually the president, right? So he's using a 230 voltage wire, the usual voltage. But somehow the person, the ordinary man, the citizen, right, he's been shocked. So what is the meaning? Actually, we know that electricity prices are too high, right? Already too high. People are suffering. But IMF, look at the IMF, right? Actually, he represents the IMF because we can easily identify that man is wearing an IMF hat. It means he is from the IMF, okay? So then the IMF pressures the government to increase the electricity prices, right? That is the problem. But then we have to think about the consequences, right? If the government raises the prices, what will happen? Definitely the people will suffer, right? It can affect the country, the economy of the country, or the people badly, right? So that is the simple idea. So now using these figures and these words and some passive voice sentences, can you try to explain this picture? It is not very difficult, right? It's very easy because now you know the idea, right? That's what you have to do, right? When you find something, when you see a picture or a video, then try to explain that video or picture in English, right? That's how you have to learn, right? So if you want to learn English, then yeah, you should read and you should learn grammar rules and you should write. That's true, I accept. But if you want to speak, you have to live with this language. That's what you must do, right? So then let's give it a try, okay?